Welcome to the part 2 of making this viral mask effect. In this video, we will learn how to use tracker node to track the mask on the fingers. If you have DaVinci Resolve Studio, you can use this Intelli tracker. But I use free version, that's why I will be using this normal tracker. Just make it sure your footage should be of high quality with good lighting if you are using normal tracker. Here I have marked these little dots on my fingers because I shot this on my smartphone's camera. So, these dots will help to track the fingers easily. So, let's start by adding a tracker node. And track this little dot on the first finger. After tracking is done, we can turn off this first point. Now click on point to add another tracking point. And set it on the next finger. We can track more than one points at the same time. So, let's add more tracking points for the remaining fingers. Then click on Track button. But always remember that more points put more load on CPU. Try to track it one by one. So, you can see the tracking is done. We can turn on and turn off any single point to check its quality one by one. Once you are satisfied, turn on all the tracking points. Now we can disconnect this tracker node, because we can use the tracking data without connecting it to this pipeline. Let's add any effect as we did earlier. Then add a polygon mask to it. Draw a polygon having 4 points. Select all of the points. Then right-click anywhere in this window. Go to Polyline, then on Publish. Now click on Publish Points. This will create these controls here in the bottom. We can connect these points to the tracker points. So, click on the tracker node to see the points. Let's turn off this effect to see the trackers easily. So, in this tracker node, you have to identify that which point is tracking which finger. For example, the first point was for the left finger, and second point was for the left thumb and so on. Now, in this polygon node, we know that this point 0 should be connected to the tracker 1 which was tracking the movement of left finger. So, right-click on its name, then click on Connect to, then select point 1 path. Then click on Position. In this way, connect the remaining points to their correct tracker points. Let's turn on this effect again. So, you can see all the points of polygon have been connected to the tracking points. Try it few times, it's very easy. Now in case your tracker lost its target at some frames. Like this frame 258 and 259. Just select the tracker node, and we know that this was point number 3, which is now creating this problem. So, turn off other tracking points and select the point 3 only. Now zoom in and see here the tracker point is not on this fingertip. So, drag this point and bring it on the target. Do this for the second one also. In this way you can fix the bad tracking points. But if you have large number of bad tracks, it's better to do the tracking again. Just make sure to turn off every other tracking point which are perfect. Lastly, you can use same polygon for more than one effect and switch between those effects. This is possible by keyframing the visibility/blend of each effect, or by using a switch node. So, I will make part 3 of this video for that. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.